Hi, it's Paul here from friendsforphotoshop.info. Today I would like to tell you a little bit more about my last project I was doing. It's called Mobile Phone Case Designer. Basically, what it is a small application in Flash that will help your customers design their own cases. So basically, what you do this is how the start screen look like. If you have a more than one template, you see the little menu to say to pick the template for the phone the customer wants. Um, for you will, I have for every single phone at the sublimation market at the moment, but I have about four uploaded at this moment. So let's say BlackBerry. I like this case. So a little bit more about the features of this little app. So basically, it's a Flash app with some great features. So basically, what we go basic basics that should be in every single app like this. So we can find the text, which is text field. We can we can type whatever we want in it. We can click the enter or the plus button and the new text layer will be added. So of course we can change the colors of the letters. It's going to be slow on my old laptop. Excuse me. Yeah, basically what we can do, we can change all the colors here. Another feature related to the text is the fonts. We have some good choice of the fonts. Obviously, not too many because the people getting obsessed with the fonts. Fonts means too many fonts means the application will run a bit slower. Too many. Well, out of experience, I know that people normally choose the one of the standard looking fonts. So but I try to include the all sorts like the standard looking fonts and some more funky looking fonts. Um, Also size, of course, you can pick the size. So you can do everything with the text. So that's the text feature. Okay, put it on the bottom. So basically, top of the window is the text in here. Up to the plus button. Plus button means like an enter, add the text to the case. So another option is in here, which is like a Polaroid pictures icon. Basically, what it does is open the pop-up window when we can choose the photo if we want to add the photo. So I have some sample photos here. For example, this is from the car show I attended. I minimize that. And we can pick any picture we want, or I'll pick obviously my little girl. Open, and you can see the pictures open already. Another options. So basically that's it. That's what it does. This icon only does adding the photos, and that's it. So in this case, you probably notice the fantastic feature that's normally only in the software, which is layers. As you can see, there's a top layer is photo of my daughter, and the bottom layer is a text. Principle is exactly the same as in Photoshop. If you want to have a layer visible, you need to drag it to the top. To drag it to the top, you have two arrows here, up and down. So basically, we're clicking that up, and text is here. With this picture, I think we would pick different color. I like this one, bit of yellow. Okay, so basically you can add as many photos as you like. You can make a collages and stuff. So it's easy to work with the layer. So whichever layer you would like to edit, you just need to click on it. If you would like to stop to edit one of the layers, you accidentally keep clicking on it or something, there's another feature in it. As you can see, the little padlock. When you click the padlock, the layer is locked. You can click it, but you cannot move it. You can move it, so you can work on it on the top of this layer more comfortable. So you're not gonna move it by mistake. So let's unlock it. You can lock all layers. So it's very useful. Okay. So I don't know if you noticed when you. I need to unlock it first. When you clicked on the layer, in this case a picture, every corner have different function. The right bottom corner is resizing to keep aspect ratio, so you need to drag it by the right bottom corner. The top right corner, you can see little spinning arrow. So that's what it says. That's what it does. Basically, it's spinning around. So if you have a different photo of the different orientation, landscape, or you want a landscape, you just use this corner. Photos, you can move them by just clicking on them and drag them across the screen. You can use it, but also you can use just this left top corner. Here we go. The little four square on each sides and top and bottom is for the resizing, basically without keeping aspect ratio. It's useful with the textures and all the backgrounds. And of course, left bottom, just clicking it, and it disappears. Is deleting you can delete the photo. Well, let's open up again because I like this photo. I think it's this one. Yep. There we go. Let's do it again quickly. I think that should be okay. Yep, that's okay. Drag it to the bottom so we can see the text. That's it. What else? Also, you can use this to delete the layer, or you can use this cross. That's the deleting. Whichever layer is highlighted, you can use this cross to delete it. Okay. What else I can say? Yeah, there's a few more features. Obviously, floppy disk. I think that no one. I don't have to tell anybody what this means. Basically, this is saving the case when it's ready. This icon means return to the menu to the first screen. So if you pick the wrong template, or you would like to choose different template, basically just go back to the menu. You just click this and it will take you there. If you're halfway designing your case like me now, I show you, it won't go straight away. It will warn you that you will lose everything you've done. So we don't want to do it. Okay, and bin means deleting everything you can see on the screen and start all over again. If you're not happy, just click the bin button and all will disappear. Obviously, again, you will get prompt screen. Are you sure? No, just in case you could click it by mistake. Okay, so that's it really. Oh no, sorry. There is another great feature. I never seen it before in any other application of this kind. You can see this is the camera icon. What it does, it actually open up the webcam. If you have a webcam, if you want to do a quick if your customer want a quick case with the, I don't know, with the friends, they can just click it, and the webcam will be on. Here you go. I show you quickly. Here we go, and that's when you can see very soon. All you do, click the counter, and the picture will be ready. If you're happy with the picture, you can save it. If you're not, you can do it all over again. 3, 2, 1. Let's say we are happy. We can save it, and the picture will pop into a screen. Obviously, I'm not happy with this one, so I will delete it. Okay. So that's a very useful and funny feature, I would say. And obviously we have a tabs. You can in the background of this app on your server. Basically, what you can do, you can add the folders with your objects. Basically, if you would like to allow your customers to create the phone cases, let's say about motorbikes, and you want to include loads of sample motorbike pictures, you can just include this folder in the app and name these tabs, and that's when the customer will see them. Basically, in this case, is backgrounds. You can see they load, and it depends how many objects you have. So you can see a few objects in here. Let's say the pick random object, and it pop up to the screen. There you go. You can get you can pick whichever you want. So that's basically if you want allow your customers to use the backgrounds. If you have any nice backgrounds, you can include them in the app. No problem. As you can see, it works quite nicely. Yeah, we don't need that now. Okay, so delete this. Another one, I include the frames. I got only one sample frame. I show you this very good feature. When you go PNG files, you can include the frames with this app, so people can use the frames like this. Let me show you quickly how nice this can look. Okay. Sorry for this app working so slow. It looks so slow, but this is not actually the app. This is my laptop. I think it's quite old now. So okay, so that's how it is. And now I'll show you this little feature. As you can see, it says preview is off now, and if you want to see how the case will look like, just click it, and this is exactly how the case will look like when printed. I think we need to move the frame to the right a little bit. The interesting thing is when the preview is on, you can't do anything. You can't click anything. You can't change anything. So I think this is good for, so people don't change anything, by mistake. So go off again, and we can adjust our frame a little bit more. And see, yep, that's better. Well, not as good, but it's good. Okay, so I'll delete that frame because I don't want them yet. Oh, I actually do want them yet. I actually do want that. Let's see. So you can see how many layers you can have. If you experience with Photoshop or any other software that will allow you to create the layers, you will know how useful this feature is. Okay, that will be cool. Up a little bit down here. Okay, and another tab I have is graphics. If you, as I said, if you have only one subject on your website or something that people can create cases about the motorbikes, or I don't know, baby stuff, or I don't know, or love stuff, lots of love hearts, pink balloons and stuff like this. All those objects you can include it. Well, they all PNG files, so you can create every vector file to the PNG. Very easy, very simple to do, and you can include them here. See, oh, I've got like nice lips in here. So let's click the lips. Here we go. There you go, lips. As you can see, all has transparent background. So there is no background. So those elements can look really, really good on a case. And here we go. A bit smaller. Oh, I should lock this layer now because it's moving. And the picture layer, I want only this. Just do a bit. A lovely kiss. Okay, so that will be really it. Oh, okay, yeah. Also, yeah, when you can, as I said, you can see the preview. If you're happy with the preview, you can save your effort. Let's click the save. And that will be sample case. You can save it like this. Save. So interesting thing is to see how is it actually saved. As you can see there on the screen, even on the preview, you can double clicked it. You can see all the camera here and flash that you will normally find on your phone. But when you actually save it all, I hope it will pop up. Yep, it did. Let me know. Make it slightly bit smaller. Easy look. So you can see the case have just the holes, so there is no flash, no camera, so it's ready to print. The fantastic thing is it's ready to print because it's in exact size of the real case. So this is BlackBerry 9900, 9900, and this is ready to print. All you do, just attach the case, poof, under the press, off you go, bish bash bosh, job done. So in a few words, I think this is a very useful feature. I think it's very useful. Sorry, not a feature. The very useful application. You can put it on your website, and you can actually ask the customers, instead of sending you the pictures and you spending the time on the front of your computer designing them, then sending the proofs to the customers, then wait for the email back if they okay, or if you could change the font, if you could change the color, blah blah blah. So you're spending time on the computer, which they probably don't pay you for it. So all you do, just send them to your website, and they can do everything by themselves. As you can see, it's only a few clicks to away this kind of case. So the customer can have this feeling of the 100% custom case. It's nothing that you did from the pictures, they did it. All you do, you just do the pressing, you just doing the work for them. But the best thing, the best and the greatest fun, which is designing the case, is on your customer shoulders, really. So this is another benefit of that, is if there is any misspelling with the text or something, you're not taking any liability for this. You're just accepting the project that was done by the customer. So so that's really it. Today this is just a quick. It's supposed to be quick. I think it's quite a longish one. Let me see this video. But next time I try to design nicer. Don't do it as quick as now. And do a nicer design, and we will actually print it. So I show you how well it can print. So thank you very much for watching. I hope it wasn't too boring. If you by the way, if you like to have a go by yourself, this application is already live. This app is already live. You can go on my website on www.franksforphotoshop.info, and in the tab software, it's bit slow today. I don't think you want to go there or not. Anyway, in the tab of software, you will see the mobile phone case designer. So you can have a go. You can save as many oh, it is now, as many cases as you like. You can try them. You can press them, and of course, please tell me what you think. If you think the application is rubbish, oh, here we go. That's the for you. Never mind. If it's rubbish, please tell me. If it's useless, I will accept that. I really want to know your thoughts. So if there is anything you would like to see changed, if you have any good ideas, please do let me know, and I will try my best. Another quick thing: if you like this, you can win it. As you can see, win mobile phone case designer. All you need to do, just go on the home page, and there will be raffle there. You can see the raffle. There's a 530 entries already, and you can click few buttons, all free. You don't pay for anything. All you do is just do a clicking, and in 9 days, the winner will be drawn out automatically and notified with the link to the mobile phone case designer with the serial number. So okay, thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please rate, thumbs up, leave the comment, or just email me. I'll try to answer every single question. I will try to do as soon as possible. So thank you very much. Take care.